So I posted a post on Reddit last night asking if I could review your channels, and boy did I struck gold.
Reviewing the stuff you've been brewing. You shouldn't wait for a bit, cause I'm gonna fix your shit.
So the first channel I'm going to review is a man or a creator called Kojo Studios. He sent me a message saying, I created my channel almost a week ago. It's a Lego Star Wars channel with reviews and unboxing and more to come. Any tips on how to improve my videos and to get more subscribers and views? Well, maybe I do have some tips, Kojo, but let's take a look at your channel first. Right, so here's Kojo's channel. Let's take a look at the banner first. It looks kind of cool, playful. I kind of get what you're trying to do with it, but it's obviously done in Microsoft Paint. Do not worry though, we will fix that. Onto the profile picture, I don't really see any relevance. It looks like you took a shield from Mortal Kombat and put your name on it. But don't worry, we'll fix that too. Alright, on with the thumbnails. They look like they just came from the video. They haven't been touched in Photoshop, and this one is from Paint. You made that in Paint, didn't you? Just be honest. And again, don't worry, we're gonna fix that. Now you might ask yourself, Steph, how are we gonna fix this? Well, it's easy. We're gonna make Kojo a new banner, a new profile picture, and a template for his thumbnails. I just did that for no particular reason. So on to the Photoshop. I needed some epic music to fit with my montage. So for the banner we needed to have some Lego style letters or font in Lego style, because I thought that would be cool if his name was in Lego letters. I adjusted a bit, you know, put some strokes around it, made some color alterations to suit it with the Lego logo. And then I looked up some Lego pictures online, like the Lego Star Wars stuff that he's really into, according to the content on his channel. So yeah, I put that in his banner as well. So with the banner almost done, I started thinking about the other two, the profile picture and the thumbnail template. And I thought the coolest thing would be if the logo of his channel would be the same as the Lego logo. So just a red logo with the KBS letters in Lego font. And then last but certainly not least, the thumbnail template. The template. Now for the final results, I came up with this. So for the banner, I came up with this beautiful little thingy. Trust me, it will look better on his YouTube page. And the logo, like I said, Lego-ish. And last but not least, the template for his thumbnails. Oh, but we ain't done yet. We still have to look at his content and see if we can fix some things over there. So first off, I like that he has an intro. That's better than most people actually. He also uses a pretty high quality camera, I'd say. It's better than mine. Now what I don't like is the environment in the shot. On the left there's like a play carpet for kids, and on the right there's, I don't know, something as well, but it's messy and I don't like it. So I will show you how it is done. By a little demonstration video, that is. Now bear in mind I didn't really have the tools to do it properly, so I broke the rig the first time. Lucky for you though, I tried it again, and this time I succeeded. Now let's just pretend that Pikachu is Lego, because I don't have any Lego actually. But my point is, it looks better with a white background and white lights. Try it. Right, that was the end of my video. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button, the notification button, share with all your friends, family, mom, dad, whatever. Also, if you want me to review your channel, be sure to leave a comment or go on Reddit and leave a comment there and I might actually find you. Cheers.